Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on quick guide. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to buy BNB Coin from Trust Wallet accounts. If you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you never miss another update from us. Now in order to buy BNB Coin from your Trust Wallet account, first of all you have to tap on Trust Wallet application. So go ahead and tap on Trust Wallet application. Now enter your password in order to access your Trust Wallet account. Now you will be entering in the home screen of your Trust Wallet account, and you can see several options available such as send, receive, buy, or since we are buying coins, so go ahead and tap on buy. Now search for BNB Coin. You do not have to search that, it is in the third option, so go ahead and tap on the third option, that is BNB. Now you can enter your amount, but remember guys, you always have to buy from third party provider. So in order to do that, tap on third party provider. Now we can select your best rate from here. For now I'm gonna go with MoonPay. Tap on next. So that's it guys, you can tap on continue now. Now you can check out with MoonPay by using your email address. So go ahead and tap on your email address which says enter email and then tap on continue. I'm not gonna do this in this video, but you can surely enter your email and then tap on continue. Then you are all set to buy BNB Coin from your Trust Wallet account. So I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.